OMG, there's a new player. Okay, let me check. I will type in iPhone player new. I will check it too. And let's see it, guys. Let me type it. A new player! I never seen him before. I will friend him. Huh? They don't know him. Hi. Okay, he's a beacon. Goodbye. Let me check it and I will see him. I think he don't have so many connections. Phew. Let me see what is here. What? Wow. That is my phone. What? And I friend him. What the? He's a free player. Oh no. I feel sad, guys.